Okay, I'm now on the big server. This is something called a big server, and it's rare for this game. Really rare, because this is like old and stuff. Yeah. But welcome to my first video. Okay, let's see what I am. 110. I have played like a little bit of this, but I don't recall anything else. I like barely played. It's like barely. So yeah. I am playing my first game on Roblox and stuff, yeah. Surprising, so surprising, I know. Well, I don't recall. I did post that, but now we're posting this today, hopefully. Yeah, whatever day it is today, I don't know when I post this. But yeah, I need to find my thing or else I think I'll die. On believe it there's rows. So I believe this is row 1. Where is, I believe I will be wanting 10. 10. This is my, where, oh crap, there's my seat. Here. Yes. Okay, there we go. The airplane is now taking off. Let's see if we can make it. This is a story game, by the way, everybody that doesn't think this is a story game and is like new to Roblox. This is like a super old story game. It's all like Breaking Story 2 and all that stuff. It's like old. That's the first thing that comes to my mind. Me continue saying old. But yeah, this is the first video of me playing this video. So yeah, I guess I don't know why I said that. But hi! Oh, it's the person. It's the person. Okay, I'm gonna say hi to this person. Sandwich. I want sandwich. Sandwich. Yum. Yummy, yummy sandwich. Yummy, yummy sandwich. Yummy, yummy sandwich. Oh no, this lady isn't feeling very well. Oh no, this person was allergic. Yeah. So I have no idea what that saying right now. You read it. Read it for yourself. I've already read it. Look for it. Look for it. Where's the kit? Where's the kit? Where's the kit? Where is it? Open the doors. Where's the kit? Where's the kit? Med kit. Oh right. You have to open these. I'm just gonna get my luggage real quick. Here should be my luggage. There's that person's luggage. But I want my luggage right now. Because, I mean, luggage is the best to have on your hand. Usually when I'm in, like, the airport and stuff, I usually have my luggage down there. But some people just keep their luggage up here for some odd reason. I have no idea why. I'm gonna look for mine. My luggage. Where should be my luggage? Where did I put my luggage? Luggage, 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 luggage. Oh, it's my luggage. I'm gonna sit back down in my seat. Well, while we're sitting here, this will take like a little bit for them to just talk. Talk, talk, talk. Non-stop. Well, you should like and subscribe right now. Or else. Or else. Oh no, they're snakes. Yeah, just get on top of this. I played this like a long time ago. I do remember like a tiny bit of the snakes. But yeah. And guys, don't blame me if this is like an old game. Nobody knows what this is anymore. Don't blame me. Right, yay, I'm in the restroom. Time to go poopies. Isn't there one more? Isn't there like a couple more people out there? Oh, this lady survived. Yay. Whee! Wait, did that person even survive? Oh, thought they didn't survive. I haven't even talked once yet. And everybody out there sitting, doing your stuff, sitting on that couch or something, watching your TV or your phone or something. Just so you know, if you leave like, I might do something in the comments, like I'll say something in the comments, like say 3 games, and then you guys comment on that comment asking if you want to do that game, and I'll do that game next. Just so you know, this is just a random game that I picked. I have played it before, so just so you know. I was like, ooh, airplane story, yay! No, I need an oxygen mask, yeah. I'll take one of those. Ah, la la la, I just have this weird nose thing on my... I need to real quick grab my luggage. And real quick grab that luggage. Usually these servers were like packed. Like a long time ago, they were packed. Because this like game just came out. I don't recall when the game came out. But yeah, it came out like a little bit ago. Oh no, the power went out again. Ah, such surprising things. Oh, I guess the power didn't go out. Does this person have a... Oh my gosh, I never knew there was hot potato in this game. I never knew that. Yeah, I finally said something. What are we gonna do? Oh, we need to find something. Okay, so we want to save this person, but I don't know why we would, and nobody wants to save her. Scissors, I found some. Oh, is she okay? Oh no, she's dead. Oh no, this person almost died. Well, that person died, now it's just us and stuff, yeah. We can do this, everybody. If this doesn't take too long, I might do another round if I die. Hopefully I can win. Well, everybody, we survived that one, and we made it out of the exploding boom boom bomb. Oh, it's these two randos. They're knocked out. Uh-oh. Going to the captain's room. Calling 911. Hello, this is 911. What's your emergency? What was that? Usually I knew everything in this game, but now I don't because this is old. Grab some Caesars. Oh, they found the code. They found the code. I knew that code. I found it at the start. And now, okay, yay. Captain's room. Open the captain's room. Oh my gosh. Is that the thing? Well, I'm gonna go hide. Bye-bye. Well, everybody, this might be the end of our journey. Let's see if we can win the game. Because I believe this might be the end. I don't recall, though. Oh, yeah, that is impossible. That's not possible. I can't believe I don't know how to say that. That's kind of sad. But still, I said it. Okay, danger. It says danger on that pad. He's setting up a weird wall. Just I thought he was setting up a weird wall. Oh, is the pilot dead or is he alive? Beep boop bop beep 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 boop blah blah blah. Beep beep blah beep 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 beep. Oh, I think I remember this part. I won't spoil it for you guys though. People at home. Okay, yeah. We need to find the autopilot button. I just said it. Click everything to find the button, or else we'll die probably. Click, 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 click. Come on, we could find it. Come on, find the autopilot. 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 No! Yay! I found the autopilot! Oh, wait. I thought I found the autopilot because I couldn't click this button, but turns out this lady did. Good job, lady. Why do we still have these mask things on? I look dumb. Well, now we have autopilot on, so we've survived the car crash. No, not the car crash, the plane crash. Yeah. So we win. Yay, we win. We win, everybody. This is the end. Don't look anymore. Turn off this video. I'm joking. Don't turn off this video. Look and subscribe right now. We need to find the emergency phone with which I know where that is. I know where that is. I call the emergency phone first. I call 911. 911, what's your emergency? Yay, we win. Hello, we need help. Our captain is dead. I'm just going to say dead because that's a really long word and I don't want to say it. Even though, yeah, it's kind of sad that I don't know how to say it. Still. Yes, we are okay. Okay. Autopilot mode is on. And everybody, if you saw my name there, it's just because I had to change it. It's right here. It's Sue Force. I just changed it because I started this beautiful, beautiful YouTube channel. And thank you everybody for 20 subscribers. I'm so happy that you guys got me up And if we go down to 19 when I post this video, I'm going to be sad. But thank you, everybody, for 20 subscribers. Just so you know, everybody, once I reach 50 subscribers, I will sing Chug Jug. And I will post that video. Once I hit 50 subs. Did we win? Oh, there I am. Oh my gosh, those Pistons. Okay, everyone, I got this. No, you don't. No, you don't. Lose. Bye-bye. Oh, crap, I can't go. Oh no, this lady's probably gonna die because she stinking took the risk. Oh no, it is back. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm just gonna stand in front of him. I probably shouldn't, or else I'll probably die. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, mama shark, doo 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 doo. Let's just let it happen. Oh, they left. They left. They left the game. Oh, did they die or did they leave? Wait, they left though. It's only me and this other lady. Does that mean they're gonna like die, but they're not really here? So, ha ma ma ma. Okay, I need to take control of the plane because this person. Oh wait, is it like they are there? Yeah, it is. It's like it's acting. The game is acting like they are still there and stuff. Who cares? Let's get help back home. Now we are about to throw up. Wait, yeah, I think I might have read that wrong. But wait, did I win? Did I win? Yay, I won, everybody. Yes, I won. Yeah. I don't know. I think that's the end of this video. I mean, I successfully won the game. By the way, everybody, I said this like once in the video. I'm just gonna say, I might put like 3 options in the comment section. 3 options for 3 games. And you guys can like vote on which game you want. Even though I have like barely any subscribers. Please just put the game you like the most in. Alright? Okay, everybody? Because that's the game I'll play next. That's the game I'll play next. So yeah, see you later, everybody. I am the Pan Man.